So, hello friends, today we are going to discuss another attack on mobile or cell phone, that is smishing, that is SMS mishing or SMS phishing. It is a criminal offense which is to be conducted using a social engineering. What is social engineering? With the help of social engineering, the attacker or unknown person is going to access your detail. Okay, there are two types of social engineering, that is computer based social engineering and human based social engineering. Human based social engineering, it is a traditional process to foolish the people, and computer based social engineering means what? They are using the triangular technology. What we can say that they are using this modern technology to 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 what we can say that to foolish the people for their financial reward. So smishing means what? With there are so many messages which is to be flooded by the unknown person or unknown what we as a hacker, that you have won the 1 lakh rupees lottery. Just you have to simply click on this link. Okay, or what we can say that this amount which is to be credited in your account, you have to just to what we can say that to withdraw that amount, you have to just simply uh, pay this amount in this account. So in this way they are trying to foolish you people. Now next one is mobile devices security implication for the organization. The managing diversity and proliferation of handheld devices, the cyber security which is always a primary concern. Even then, at the same time, there is a still some short sightedness. Most organizations fail to see the long term significance of keeping track of who owns that what kind of mobile devices. Yes, this is thing which is to be available, that so many organizations which are available, and they doesn't what we can say that the mobile manufacturing company that doesn't aware about that what kind of mobile which is to be used by the what kind of user or subscriber. Okay, so the keeping of track of who owns what kind of mobile device is simply what we can say that totally what time consuming and not possible. Okay, so mobile devices of employees should be registered in a corporate asset or register irrespective of whether or not the devices which is have been provided by the or provided by the organization. Okay, simply not allow to consumer or employee to enter in your surrounding. Okay, or you have to just simply put the jammers in your organization, or what we can say that uh, you just simply say that key with the help of different you have to what we can say that just you have to simply give the your own organization sim card or mobile phone to the customer, or customer not a customer employee, to use in the organization infrastructure. So these are the things which are related to the managing diversity and proliferation of the handheld devices. In next lecture we will discuss mobile devices security implication for mobile organization, that is unconventional steel storage device. Thank you.